How to install the adjustable bracket. Step 1. Remove the original bracket from Dashcam. Step 2. Snap the adjustable bracket into the Dashcam's mounting clips from the bottom up. Step 3. Choose the location where you want to install it and attach the electrostatic stickers. Step 4. Peel off the 3 meters adhesive backing from the mount and press it firmly onto the electrostatic stickers. Step 5. Turn on the dashcam, then adjust the angle of the bracket by looking at the screen, and tighten the bracket by turning the nut.